Good day, grade 9 learners. So welcome to our video lesson in preparation to our scaffolding seatwork next meeting. So para sa atong scaffolding seatwork next week, please be guided sa kaninga video lesson. So let's start with this example. The sum of two numbers is 14 and the sum of their squares is 116. Find the numbers. So, sugod ta sa representation. So, mo ni ang hitsura sa scaffolding activity. So, complete the solution by following the steps. Number 1, assign the letter X to the first number. Okay? Punta kay baw sa first number. Again, let's be grateful to Algebra na atay organized way of solving word problems. Na atay algorithm nga gina-follow. Again, need lang nato i-represent ang unknown or missing data with variables like X. Okay, so this is the template for the representation. Let blank be the first number. Again, unsa ganito ang letter nga atong i-assign sa first number? Yes, it's letter X. So you fill in the blank, you write X. Right, so do that in your seats, in your tickets, and raise your paper once done. Number 2, represent the second number using this template, given sum minus X. So, para sa step number 2, atong i-represent ang second number using this template, this expression, given sum minus X. Nga naman, let's have this example. So, let's have an example. Ang sum kay 20. And then, ang first number kay 5. Unsa man ang buhaton nato sa 5 na first number diri sa 20? Yes, di ba? Ato man i-minus ang first number sa sum para makuha ang second number. So, pila man ang 20 minus 5, di ba? 15. So, 15 is the second number. So, unsa gani ang 20? Diba ang 20 kay ang given sum. Okay? Nya, wala man ta kahibaw sa first number. Right? I-represent na to ang first number with letter X. So, the second number will be represented with the template or the expression given sum minus X. Right, so there is sa example, unsa man ang sum. The sum of two numbers is 14. So ang given sum is 14. So, we represent the second number as given sum ng 14 minus X. Okay? I-subtract na to ang first number sa given sum para makuha ang second number. Okay? You can enclose this expression with parentheses. Okay? So, please update your worksheets based on your understanding to this demo. Identify the given sum, then write minus X. Okay? So, for step number 2, the template is let blank be the second number. So for step number 2, just subtract X from the given sum. We write and say let 14 minus X be the second number. Step number 3. So aside from sum na keyword, diri sa example number 2, unsa pa man ang mga keyword na naa sa word problem? Naatay keyword nga square. So, unsaon man nato ang X o ang 14 minus X para makuha ang square. Lungag tag exponent 2 sa X. Like that. Okay, so do this in your worksheets. Nga, butangan po og exponent 2 ang 14 minus X gawas sa parentheses. So, the representation for the second number ato pud i-square. Okay, so butangan og exponent 2. Alright, so please do that in your worksheets and then raise your tickets once done. Ito man ang laing keyword aside from squares, or unsaon man nato ang mga squares. Unsaon nato ang x squared, o unsaon pud nato ang 14 minus x squared. Sakto atong i-add ang squares because of the keyword sum. There's a keyword sum of their squares. So, i-add ang squares sa x o ang squares sa 14 minus x. Unsa man ang symbol sa add? Yes, the plus sign. So, magsuwat lang o plus sign. Pila man ang sum of the squares based on the problem? Yes, sa kaniya example, ang sum of their squares is 116. Unsa gani ang symbol sa is? Yes, it's equal sign. So, we write the equal sign after 14 minus x squared. Nga, pila gani ang sum of their squares? Yes, it's 116. So, we write equals 116. That is for the right side of the equation. So, do this for your tickets. Ini ang equation para sa atong word problem. Okay? So, the story in the word problem atong gi-represent using algebraic expressions and using algebraic equation. So, let's have a recap. So, in formulating the equation for this problem, butangan og exponent 2 ang expression sa step 1 o step 2. So, butangan og exponent 2 ang x, o butangan po the exponent 2 ang 14 minus x. Right? And then write the plus sign in between them, and then write the equal sign, and then the given sum of their squares. Sa akong ticket, it's 116. Again, this is an algebraic equation, kay naa may equal sign. So, binomial ang 14 minus x kay duha ka buok terms, and sa binomial difference kasi we are subtracting x from 14. So, we call this one a binomial difference. So, we're going to expand it. Sa pag-expand sa 14 minus x squared, mauni ang formula. A minus b squared is equal to a squared, negative 2ab, positive b squared. So, pasabot ani. So, first step, we're going to square the first term. A squared man. So, a is the first term. So, atong first term is 14. And then, we are going to square 14. So, we write 14 squared. Okay. Alright, so do that in your seats. For the second term, naamantay AB. No? So, kasabot ana, ang first term o ang second term i-multiply. So, ang atong first term kay 14. Atong second term kay negatives. Negative x. So, we say 14 times negative x. So, gi-multiply ang first to ang second term. So, 14 times negative x is negative 14x. Dayon, na may numerical coefficient na 2, dublihon na to ang 14x, negative 14x. So, we multiply 2 sa negative 14x, and that would be negative 28x. So, this will be our second term para sa special product. Now, for the third term, b squared. So, mutan-aw ta sa b, which is the second term. So, ang second term na to is negative x. Yan na may square ni. So, i-square ang second term. So, ang atong second term is negative x squared. Okay, negative x times negative x. That would be a positive x squared. Okay, so ang third term will always be a positive term. Alright, so i-square na to ang negative x, mahimong positive x squared. Please update the scratch part of your worksheet sa luyo. Okay, so i-expand ninyo ang inyong binomial square o binomial difference. And then, raise your tickets once done. So under step number 4, inyong isuwat ang special product. Again, 14 minus x squared is equal to 14 squared negative 28x positive x squared. Right, so please watch the second part so we can finish step 5, step 6, step 7, and step 8. This way, you'll be prepared for this scaffolding activity live in class.